Let's make a cold and creamy iced coffee at home in less than 5 minutes. For one serving, you'll need 2 teaspoons of instant coffee, 1 teaspoon of sugar if you like it sweet, 3 tablespoons of warm water, about 3/4 of a cup of cold milk, and 1 full cup of ice. Add the instant coffee and sugar to a tall glass. Pour in the warm water, then stir for about 20 seconds until every coffee granule and sugar crystal has completely dissolved. Dissolving them first prevents a gritty drink and gives the coffee a smoother flavor. Fill the glass with ice, leaving a little room at the top. Slowly pour in the cold milk and stir until the color is even and the drink is well chilled. Taste it before adding anything else. For a stronger coffee, mix in another ½ teaspoon of instant coffee dissolved in a small splash of warm water. For a lighter drink, add a little more milk. You can also use oat, almond, or another milk you enjoy. Finish with a small splash of vanilla if you want extra flavor. Give it one final stir and serve immediately. That's it, a refreshing homemade iced coffee ready in just a few minutes. Enjoy!